Mangabas Residence is a very spacious residence that has 6 suites, a home theater, an office, a sauna, very spacious social areas with a gourmet veranda, a swimming pool, and a shelter for 4 cars. With all the environments on a single floor, we created an airy project, full of light and air entrances. And another differential is the use of slats on the balcony, with the cantilevered pergola for shading during the period of excessive afternoon sun. The metal structure stands out for its lightness, which allows for large free spans. The colors are very discreet in shades of gray to highlight the garden. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI home design ideas, we'd appreciate it.